Hi, I'm Valerie and welcome to the TaylorMade Workshop. I'm just doing a quick video to show you how to change the blades on a DeWalt 734 planer. Okay, here's some of the supplies you're going to need. A T-handle with a Torx bit, a small Phillips head screwdriver, a flashlight, and some gloves. It's kind of hard to see in here, so you're probably going to want a flashlight. This is the one I have, and it has a little magnet, sticks right on. With the Torx, you're going to unscrew the two screws there. I've already done that. And then with the Phillips head, there's one more screw underneath right here, and you're going to remove it. You're going to loosen it up. Then you just lift off. Set it to the side. Okay, you want to locate this lever that's on the right-hand side. Lift it up so that you can turn the wheel until you hear that click. It locks those blades in place so they don't walk away from you. Then you're going to use your Torx driver that came with the planer and remove all 8 of these screws. With all 8 screws removed, you can slide up the blade cover and remove it. Make sure you set it back down on same way you need to put it back in. Now you have a choice. You can remove the blade and change it out for a new blade, or what I'm doing is I'm turning it around because it has a double edge on it and I've only used one edge. I found that the easiest way to remove this blade is to lift this lever and rotate it back a bit. Then you can grab the blade and pull it out. If you notice on the blade, there is a small triangle. Right now the point side is down, so I'm going to flip it around so that the point side is up. And I'm going to clean off my blade with a wipe and then dry it off before I put it back in there, just so that there's no debris underneath. Now there's 2 little buttons sticking up, these little holes, so you can line it up correctly. And then I rotate it back towards me again. Hearing that click, I can put the blade cover back on, and then I'll put the screws back in. Now that we have all 3 blades changed, it's time to put the cover back on. Okay, when you slide the cover in, you have to kind of set it on top of the little lever that you've been messing with, and then it just kind of drops right into place. Okay, now that you're done with this, just set it right back in there and tighten down this last screw. So as you can see, it was pretty simple, straightforward. It took about 15 minutes to change all 3 blades. Now it's ready for my next project. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time on the TaylorMade Workshop.